Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so welcome to my cheese tutorial. So I'll be showing you how to make a slice of cheese on Blender. I mean, we know what cheese looks like, so we're gonna a plane is pretty much what we need. So start with that. Now, what you want to do is go into edit mode. Up here, this is vertex select, which lets you select by the vertices. This is edge select, which lets you select by the edges here. And this is face select, which lets you select entire faces. So I'm gonna go to face select. I'm gonna hit X to delete this face. So when it brings this up, go to only faces because we only want to delete the face, not the edges. All right, so now we have our four vertices here. So we're gonna let that sit. So while we're still in edit mode, we're gonna add a circle, and for the circle we'll do let's do let's do 6. Yeah, like 6. Okay, we'll do 6. No, 8. Yeah, like 8. Okay, so now right now we're gonna position our holes. I'll do a big hole here. So we'll keep this simple. Don't like whenever I want to move this hole, like I can't have it in the middle, so I gotta move it somewhere else onto the slice. But like, here's the best way to move things on a flat surface. So you hit G. Are you ready? Watch this. So we only want to move it along the X and the Y axes. So you hit Shift and Z, and that's what it does. It moves it on every axis excluding the one that you select. So now you can move it around, like you can move your mouse anywhere, and it'll stay on this plane right here. So I'll put it like right there. Okay. And then I'll Shift D to duplicate it, left click, do the same thing again, move it to like here. Yeah. I'll shrink it a little, just like switch things up. Yeah. Okay. 3 holes, that should be good. Alright, so now here's what we want to do. So the idea here is like we're gonna fill in this entire shape except where the holes are. It'll make sense. Okay, so right here, I want to connect this to this and this. So I'll do a loop cut. I'll bring this over. Loop cuts to loop cut. It's a Control R, by the way. So I'll bring this over here, and then bam. Okay, that's one done out of several. So we're gonna keep doing that. Sorry, my hamster exploded. Okay, let's continue. So yeah, this time we're gonna bring this one up with the Y. Fill that in. Put another one right here. Fill that in. Okay, and then we're gonna just get these sides in. Okay, so now, to avoid making it too messy, I'm gonna do something a little different here. So right here, I'm gonna do Control R to make a cut. I'll use my scroll wheel. I'll kind of roll it once to increase the number of cuts. So I'll do 2 right here. 2 cuts, and I'll make a face between these 4 right there, and then I'll do right here too, right here as well, and then I'll just keep on going, same stuff. One right there, I'll do one right there, one right there, move this up, another face, make another cut. I'm just like, I'm just making like, I'm making vertices for myself so that I could keep everything everything in quads. Quads are what you want. You don't want triangles. Fuck that. Okay, right here. I'm gonna make a cut in the middle right here so I could do a face right here. Oh shit. Okay, no, don't do that. So yeah, back to what I was doing before. Make a face right here. Make another face right here. We want another face right here. Another face right here. Okay, it looks a little wonky here, but that's alright. I mean, it'll look fine by the end of it. Let's move this to the side a little bit. Yeah, another face here. One right there. One right there. And let's see. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a face right here. Yeah, let's do that. I'll do another cut. No, I'll do 2 cuts. And then okay, so and then I'll do 2 cuts on this side because I gotta make sure everything it's able to fit into a quad. So these 2 edges, I'll divide these both into 2 as well, and it'll all look pretty organized by the end of it. Okay, so now we just start filling it in. All the squares. Okay, this should be the last one. And yeah, there we go. So now we have our flat cheese right here. Topology, it's alright. I mean, there's no triangles, so quads. That's what we want. So we have our cheese. So now we're gonna go into edit mode. We're gonna press A to select everything, and we're gonna press E to extrude, and it'll automatically extrude up for us. So we're just gonna move our mouse up a little bit, so like right there, and then now we have a 3D slice of cheese. So it's pretty much done. Let's do some finishing touches. So we shade smooth. This looks a little weird to me, so I'm gonna go into auto smooth again. I'm gonna put it up to like 50. Yeah, 50 works. So everything in here is all smoothed out, but it still has its sharp corners. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make cheese. Well, I'm a color real quick. So go to materials, click new. Come on, don't crash. Okay, so we have everything. This is just for like, I guess like preview purposes that we could see inside Blender. So go to view part display, go to color, and then you could like, I'll make it a little bit like, yeah, there we go. That's our cheese. Alright, thanks for watching my cheese tutorial.